If you want to cancel your Airbnb free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly and avoid any charges. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Airbnb website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Look for an option that says Account or Settings. Step 3. Find subscription information. In the Account Settings menu, locate the section related to subscriptions or memberships. This may be labeled as subscriptions, memberships, or something similar. Step 4. Select Free Trial. Once in the Subscriptions section, find your active free trial. Click on it to view the details and options available for cancellation. Step 5. Cancel the free trial. Follow the prompts to cancel your free trial. Make sure to confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure it is processed. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your cancellation. Always check your email for any updates or confirmations from Airbnb.